and mom. So, ang aming business is printer shop. So, bakit nga ba ito yung pili naming business? Ito ay isang malaking business which is mas nakaka-help siya sa maraming students. And bakit kami ang dapat yung piliin? So, we offer competitive rates without compromising on quality, and we are committed to environmentally responsible practices using eco-friendly inks and materials whenever possible.
Magandang araw, mabuhay. Ang target market po namin ay mga estudyante para sa kanilang mga project, thesis at iba pang mga requirements. And also yung mga guro sa mga paaralan para sa kanilang modules, learning materials at sa mga gagawin nila ng certificate. At yun po yung maliliit na mga negosyo, small services para sa mga flyers, tarpaulin, mga calling card at product labels. At sa mga organizer para sa mga invitations, banner, souvenirs, sa mga opisina o kumpanya, para sa mga forms ng kumpanya profile at mga marketing materials, and also sa walk-in customers para sa mga personal na gamit gaya ng mga photo printing at ID printing.
Magandang araw, mabuhay. Ang aming target location ay malapit sa school para hindi na pupunta ng malayo yung mga estudyante.
Magandang araw, mabuhay. Ang possible problem sa aming printer shop business: first, high printing cost, time constraints, lack of access to specialized printing services, inconsistent print quality, and environmental concerns.
Magandang araw, mabuhay. Our solution in printing shop business is cost-effective printing solutions. We offer competitive pricing and flexible packages to fit various budgets, ensuring affordability without compromising our quality. We leverage digital printing for cost-effective use on smaller runs. Efficient and timely service. Our streamlined process and advanced equipment ensure fast turnaround times, minimizing distractions to our clients' workflows. Comprehensive printing services. We provide a wide array of printing services for business cards and brochures to large format banners and specialized bending catering to diverse needs. Guaranteed print quality. We utilize high quality, links paper, and state-of-the-art equipment to ensure consistent and exceptional print quality. And the last one is eco-friendly practices. We are committed to sustainability using eco-friendly inks and material whatever possible. Thanks.